we will finalize the arrangement. You know, the burial is going to be on the 13th of this month in his hometown in Delta State. We have completed the arrangement. We will hand you over to receive the full briefing from the chairman of the sub-burial committee, Senator Bennett Birabi. But before he says something, I'd like the Deputy Governor, His Excellency, to say a word and then hand over to Senator Ben Birabi, the chairman of the subcommittee, and have planned and arranged the burial ceremonies. Thank you.
Thank you very much, gentlemen. D.K. Clark is not only an elder statesman, he's a nationalist, a patriotic man, the voice of the voiceless. And this forum, the River State Elders and Leaders Forum, will fully participate. And that's why we're meeting. So our chairman will brief you as to the details. Apart from going for the burial, we're also telling to have a day of tribute and service of songs, which is being organized by this forum in his honor. So distinguished Senator Bennett Birabi is our spokesman today. So I yield to you.
Let the people of River State and beyond, in fact the people of Niger Delta, know how important the person of Chief Edwin Clark was to the entire Niger Delta. He's not from River State, but he doesn't have a state. He was a Niger Delta person. And much as the family is having a burial program for him, which is running from Abuja up to Delta State and then to his village, it became very necessary for us in River State for the role he has played in identifying himself with the struggles of the Niger Delta and the people of River State. We felt we should do something in his honor, no matter how little. It's not just the commitment of the body to Mother Earth that is a burial. It is a celebration of his life. He lived for 97 years. And if you check through those of you who have read his book, Brutally Frank, you will see that the man for all his life has been in this struggle for the emancipation of the Niger Delta. And his position will be very, very difficult to fill. And we have to first of all appreciate what he has done before we begin to think of how we can, make up for his absence. So we are here in River State to hold this service of songs and a night of tributes in his honor. And we hope that the press will let a lot more people know. We want to fill up that venue and let the River State realize and know who this man was. So we thank you very much for the support, the anticipated support, and we hope that you will cover the events to the fullest for us. Thank you very much. And the event actually is on Sunday, the 11th, at the Royal House of Grace, Tumbia Extension, GRA, here in Port Harcourt, at 4 p.m. It's supposed to be a 2-hour event, but starting exactly at 4, and we hope that we'll be able to keep the time. So thank you very much for covering us, and we hope to see you there on Sunday. Thanks a lot.
Anything? Thank you. God bless you.